Hello everyone and welcome to this platform. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a special plantain porridge recipe, also known as Ukang Ukom. Ukang Ukom is a special delicacy prepared in Akwa, Ibom State and Cross River State. It is mostly served when you attend any special event in Akwa Ibom or Cross River State, like traditional marriage, burial ceremony, and community gathering. This meal is so delicious. It is so delicious. I mean every word of it. I want you to try it. I gave it a twist by adding coconut milk. All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Please remember to check it out, and in case you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I will gladly respond to you. And please remember to like this video, comment and share with friends and family. Keep watching and watch how I prepare this meal so you can try it for yourself. Your family is going to love it. Your loved ones are going to love it. It's not difficult to prepare. It is very easy to prepare. So keep watching. Thank you for tuning in.